Upgrading to Google Analytics tracking code is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of website management and Google Analytics. To start with, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a website with an existing tracking code. First, sign in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. In the property column, select the property you want to upgrade. Then click on Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. This is where you will find your existing tracking code. Before making any changes, make sure to copy and save your existing tracking code for reference. To upgrade to the new tracking code, click on the Get button next to the Global Site tag. This will give you the new tracking code that you need to install on your website. The new tracking code is usually in the format of a global site tag and it looks something like this. You need to copy this code and paste it into the head section of your website, preferably in the header tag. If you are using a content management system like WordPress, you can use a plugin to install the tracking code. Alternatively, you can also use Google Tag Manager to install the tracking code. Once you have installed the new tracking code, make sure to test it to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by using the Google Analytics Debugger or the Real-Time Reports feature in Google Analytics. Best practices for upgrading to the new tracking code include making sure that you have the correct tracking code installed on all pages of your website, testing the tracking code regularly to ensure that it is working correctly, and using Google Tag Manager to manage your tracking codes. In conclusion, upgrading to the new Google Analytics tracking code is a simple process that requires some basic knowledge of website management and Google Analytics. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily upgrade to the new tracking code and start enjoying the benefits of improved tracking and analytics.